Hi, Steve here from Southern Comfort Mechanical. Short video on keeping your outdoor AC or heat pump unit clean. Clean outdoor unit is important. A dirt buildup on the surface is like putting a face mask on or choking. It's going to reduce the airflow. When the airflow is reduced, it reduces the capacity and the ability of that unit to cool. So a reduced efficiency will make the unit work harder, consume more energy, and also run longer to achieve the level of cooling to keep your house cool. Over time, this will build up and basically strangle the unit until potentially your compressor will fail or some other components, and you will potentially feel it running longer, maybe a bit more humid inside your home. So if you want to keep that clean, you can have a maintenance done and have that, or if you prefer to do it yourself, this will show you how to do it. And then there are two types of configuration: a train unit, which has got a spine fin, which we'll touch on in the latter part of the video. First, we'll start with the channel coil, which looks a bit like a car radiator, and we'll go over that here. Whenever you're cleaning the outdoor, it's very important that you use low pressure water. High pressure water will damage the unit, particularly the train coil. It will flatten the fins and lock up that airflow. So use low pressure water, just tap pressure without any additional nozzles and so forth on there until you know what you're doing. Also, don't use harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals will react with the aluminum or aluminium, which will cause that to go brittle. Then whenever it gets hit with water or gets knocked, it will break. Eventually that will cause failure in the manner of a freon leak, which means changing out the whole coil assembly inside the unit, which is a major repair. Have fun. Any questions, let us know. Hopefully you gain something from this. Bye. Here we have an example of a heavily impacted or very dirty condenser coil, especially on one side. In terms of the motion, you can go left to right, up and down. In this example, we're going up and down, just slowly moving that hose nozzle up and down, trying to chase the dirt out of that. So just going back and forward, just grinding through. As you can see, that's penetrating through to the inside, giving us plenty of flow and making sure that we get the dirt pushed out of that. So it's not restricting and just removing the surface, it's going all the way through. So just laboriously going up and down, just slowly going till we get the whole surface completed. Video magic will just fast forward to get through, just finishing up, going over the surface, just chasing off any of those stubborn dirt particles. Here we have a picture of a spine fin coil, which you will find on a train manufactured unit.